So this Chinese came to £98.40. You what? So you got the 1 foot battered sausage, chips and beans for £8.95, an absolute steal. Woo! It is warm in England today and we've just arrived at Scarborough, just in North Yorkshire on the coast, seaside town, and it's where we used to come as a kid for our holidays. Scarborough, Whitby, and then sometimes go on the west to Blackpool. But yeah, love Scarborough. It's quite busy coming into it today at, what time is it, 11:39, 20 to 12 on the morning. So let's take a look around Scarborough, see what we find and see what food they've got to eat. Look, that's always a bonus, isn't it, when you walk in from outside and the first machine has got a couple of 2 pences.
When you find yourself in
you grab yourself.
Trouble, brother, Zoltar comes to you, speaking words of wisdom. Let it be.
Whoa, look at the size of that, Ted. And Bully's special prize. God, Scarborough is busy. Look at the size of that bully. See that, Ted? £1 to go. Imagine carry around that all day. Let's go. Go on, Ted. Oh. Hit him all, hit him. Go on, Ted, smash him.
Smash him.
Smash him. Yeah, winner!
That Nana's got to get to the train. Then it's coins.
Yeah, just put them on, would you?
You press them up.
So this is Fish Pan in Scarborough. So they've gone for pensioners fish and chips. Ted didn't want anything, so what I've done is I've got the 1 foot battered sausage, chips and beans. I'll have a little bit and I'll give the rest for Ted. Size of that. So you've got the 1 foot battered sausage, chips and beans for £8.95, an absolute steal. OAP fish and chips, and an OAP fish and chips over here as well. So the OAPs actually come with a tea and coffee as well, so yeah, bargain. Now it is for Ted. He didn't want any food, but I've got him one anyway, and I'm just gonna have a little bit of the sausage. Looks like a nice fish.
Those look very nice.
Nice chips, yeah, really good. I wish that salt would come out faster though.
I know.
Get your socks and shoes.
Again, it is busy in Scarborough today. Ted's running off, running all over. We've been to Fish Pan for a bit of food, which was absolutely spot on. And there's my dad shouting at Ted. You want to win one, Ted?
Dad.
Yes. I'm right here. Yes, yes.
Can I have a duck?
Can you have a duck? What about a seagull? God, look at the size of that one. That is huge, Ted, look. It stole someone's stone. Oh, it is good, that. So these ones outside, £3 to go, £4 to go, but at least you're guaranteed to win every time. That's not bad, isn't it? Because when you go inside, sometimes you can spend 10, 20 quid and still not win. That's what we like. Sea-bait, like eBay. But it's full of tat. So we bought a bag full of tat things for like 50p a pound. Look at these. Dog chews. Look at them. Everything you need for the beach. Build a sandcastle, footballs, sharks. It's a proper tat shop. So when you go to Scarborough, go and see them. £50 in, £2 out. So, Ted, we want the piggy, don't we, Ted?
Yeah.
The piggy. Ready?
I see one.
Oh, Ted.
Oh, you what? What a pig.
You like that, Ted?
Can I win the eagle one? One at the back. Can I win the eagle one? Wow.
Which one?
Them back ones.
Oh, you can only get a standard one.
Try this one over in the corner.
Which one?
The yellow one.
Ah, wrong roll with it.
Oh, can I get?
See if you can win, Ted.
Might pick it up from the bottom. It has. Oh! You can do that again though, can't you? Just go straight across.
See if you can win, Ted. Hang on. Have you won a pink? Oh,
There you go. You'll have it there, your dad. You'll have it. Yellow beak one.
Winning, Crackhead's winning for you.
There we go. Yay! Are you happy, Ted?
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's definitely better than spending all your money on these. Come on then, let's go. It's a good day out of Scarborough. You know, for us, it's an hour and a half away. It's only like 45, 48 miles. But just coming the way we have to come past Gisborough takes a little bit longer than usual. But yeah, really good trip out. Definitely worth a visit. Right everyone, so a little bit different to the usual videos here on YouTube. Usually I just do things like this on TikTok and Facebook, but tonight's Chinese takeaway is from the #1 voted Chinese takeaway in the whole of Teesside, Pekin Express, or it might be Pekin Gardens Express. We'll find out very soon when we go to the shop, but I'm excited for tonight's takeaway. I love the restaurant Pekin Gardens, and I'm sure I'm going to love the takeaway just as much as the restaurant. Bring on the food. Right, so the takeaway, Pekin Garden Express Takeaway, is here on Nelson Terrace, Stockton, and the restaurant is the opposite end of town. Ellen, you alright? It is, yeah. You alright, mate? Right, so I've just picked up almost £100 worth of food, Pekin Gardens in Stockton. I've got 2 big bags. I've got some discount vouchers that are on the menu. Should have really used them tonight. And yeah, looking forward to this. Bring on Pekin Gardens takeaway. Right, so I've just got in the house. We live about, I don't know, 10-15 minutes drive from Pekin Gardens Express, which is here. There's the menu. So this Chinese came to £98.40. You what? £98.40. And we've got satay chicken, half crispy duck, chicken chow mein, honey spare ribs, beef mushroom, prawn toast, crispy seaweed, smoked shredded chicken, salt and pepper chips, crispy shredded beef, my favourite, beef curry, chicken pineapple and egg fried rice. All of that came at £98.40. Now they have given us a couple of menus. And inside the menus, there's different vouchers for money off. So you've got £5 off when you spend over 50 quid, £4 off over 40, 3 over 30, and 2 over 20. So at least next time that I order, which there will be a next time because I've ordered from this place before and it's, for me, one of the best in the northeast of England. It's incredible. Everything's really super tasty. Every single dish that we've had at the restaurant. So I can imagine this is just the same. And for everyone saying, get the badge in, it's a turkey badge. Prawn toast, seaweed, egg fried rice, pineapple chicken, chicken chow mein, smoked shredded chicken, crispy shredded beef, half a duck. Look at that. Look how good that duck is. You what? We've got satay chicken there, which is chicken in a peanut sauce, honey spare ribs, beef curry, and this is beef and mushroom. This takeaway came to £99.80. You could go to the restaurant and get all you can eat for 20 odd quid. But this is also going to feed 7 or 8 of us here in the house. I picked it up tonight, but they also do a delivery service. And the food here is ridiculous. Let's try some of this. Is it up to the same standards as the restaurant? Well, that is. Beautiful soft chicken inside, crunchy on the outside, a little bit salty. But for me, half a duck, look at the size of that. That is absolutely packed. £20.50. So at other places you can get a quarter for about 9 quid. So I suppose it's not that bad. And I love the duck skin, especially when you whack it in some hoisin sauce. My God.